Got a business idea but stuck waiting on developers? Hiring developers takes months, costs thousands, and still risks failure. What if you could launch your app without hiring a single engineer? Builder.ai lets you turn your idea into a real app fast. No coding, no hiring, no delays, just a faster way to build. Tell Builder.ai what you want, and it builds your app automatically. From idea to launch in weeks instead of months. Save time, cut costs, and get your product to market faster. Thousands of founders are already launching apps with Builder.ai. See how fast you can build your first app today. Let's break it down. Here's exactly how Builder.ai turns your idea into a live product. First, you describe your idea. Build.ai instantly maps it into a working app plan. Next, choose features like payments, chat, and dashboards in minutes. Builder.ai assembles everything into a production-ready app automatically. Track progress in real time, no guesswork, no surprises. Built-in quality checks make sure your app meets real-world standards. Now let me show you how fast an app can be built. Let's start the demo, building a real product from scratch. We are building a website using Builder.ai, and this keeps on fixing the issues during this process. And just like that, the website is built, ready to deploy. Now imagine what you could build if you started today. You don't need a big team, you just need a powerful idea. Because today, technology gives solo creators the power of entire companies. That means your ideas no longer need permission to become reality. India has the talent, now we have the speed to match it. This is how the next generation of Indian innovators will rise. This is more than technology. This is India building the future. Build it today. Jai Hind.